F4 vehicle is EEC L7e CP homologation approval. 5 doors and 4 seats design, suitable for family daily travel. Large space with comfortable riding experience. Equipped with double airbag, ensure driving safety. With air conditioner, 10.33-inch multimedia screen, luxury configurations, electronic brake system, support keyless entry, can install 360 holographic imaging. Multimedia screen support 100 languages. Before leaving, can turn off and lock the car by one button. Standard equipped steel iron rim. Aluminum rim can be optional. If you interested, please contact Vicky